G'day, this video is going to be updating the AgNav3 software to AgNav5. So first you're just going to hit settings. Then you're going to go to about. And then register or upgrade by online. You will need to make sure you have Wi-Fi or connected to a hotspot or something. So if you scroll down from the top right, scroll down again, and that's your Wi-Fi. So make sure you're connected there. Then you're going to hit software upgrade to trial version. This might take a moment. So let's release, upgrade. Alright, now this might take a little minute to download, so depending on your Wi-Fi. Do you want to install this? Hit install. Alright, I just cut that short a bit because I couldn't be bothered waiting for that. So yeah, it might take 5 or 10 minutes. So you'll come to this page, then if you hit open, and then you'll come to this. So yeah, you might have to wait a little bit again. Don't turn your screen off. You gotta wait for this to download. I've got pretty good internet right here. I'm right next to the Starlink, so this might take a little bit longer for you guys as well. Now it's installing. And yeah, just give this a minute while it's firing up. Alright, so yeah, it'll come with this page. If you just put your own, put your name in there. Dealer code, your dealer should have that. Oh, maybe not. I'll put this code in the comments. Sorry, I just had to go get the code then. Yeah, I'll put this in the comments, but it's 0220001398. So yeah, there's the code there if you want to pause it on that, or I'll have it in the comments. To get rid of the keyboard, just hit that little down arrow. And yeah, Australia. Hit agree. And then now you've got AgNav5. Actually, after this, you might also have to delete the AgNav3 software. So we're also going to have to re-register. So if we go to register, you'll see these are all have all disappeared. I just realized too, first we're going to have to go to demonstration mode on the left. And then in there, going to go to, oh, sorry, it's going a bit weird, boot guide settings. And if you just give that a minute. So yeah, hopefully those are still in there. And here we need to tell it it's a guide 10. Otherwise it's going to be looking for steering and everything. So hit that guide 10 and then the arrow. And it should reboot. Hit agree. All right, so it's come up with register again, so we hit that. And it takes you back to here. So yeah, we need to register the software. So if you take a photo of these numbers up here, and you can send that to a CHC Nav tech, and then they will update it on their end. And then, yeah, once they do that, then you're gonna need internet, and you'll hit this button and it should pop up. Yeah, that little arrow on the side. Otherwise, they can also supply you with a pre-code. And if you hit pre-code and enter your authorization code, and enter. I'll hit this down arrow to get rid of the keyboard. And yeah, for software, yeah, you need to do that one now. PPP is for if you have a subscription or yeah, for your GPS. But For now, I'm gonna take a photo of that and send it to a CHC nav tech, and yeah, then we'll go from there. Okay, I just got the okay that it's all been registered. So yeah, make sure you got internet up in that top corner, and then I'm gonna hit this little arrow here, and hopefully, yeah, there we go. So it's all registered now. So then if we hit the back button in the top right, and yeah, unless you're using farm management, you can just hit so, and there you go. Now you got AgNav5, and yeah, I'll do another couple of things. So if you hit this circle in the middle at the bottom of the screen, and takes you back to here. These buttons on the right hand side, if you hit that, this orange one up here, AgNav5 is your new software. You may potentially still have AgNav3 or AgNav5, and so to delete those, you just hold your finger on it and then swipe it across over to that bin and drop it on the bin, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to drop it in the middle, and now that's on my main screen as well. So yeah, if I go back into that, okay, so yeah, after registering as well, if you see this steering wheel down here, and if you go to settings and then system settings, and down on the left hand side, if you see, go back to register. If it's saying auto steering, then you need to unregister that. Hopefully you shouldn't have to do this. I think it was just because the tech thought I was adding auto steer to a system, but yeah. So to get rid of that, you need to hit the circle and then over to these dots on the right hand side, and then ES File Explorer. And you should see all these, and if you scroll down to register, hold your finger on that and then delete. Okay, so hopefully you won't have to do that. I think that was just a bit of miscommunication, but now, okay, I might have to restart the software. So if you hit this square and swipe across, and then just hit on anywhere on the screen, and then open the software back up. Agree. And I think that's looking better. If we go to settings and system settings, yeah, so that's all good now. Oh, wrong button. Home in the top right. So yeah, that's just red. So you may still need, you might have to put in your AB line, or that just needs a heading because I'm not driving anywhere. So yeah, that's all done.